पूरे मीडिया को बहुत बड़ा थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी बिकॉज इतनी बारिश में मुंबई में एवरी डे यू गाइज मेक इट टू वर्क एंड आज मैं जानती हूँ बाहर कितनी बारिश थी और सब आए हैं सो थैंक यू सो मच। आपका सपोर्ट हमारे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है एंड कावाला जब मैं शूट कर रही थी जो तमिल वर्जन है आई थिंक इट हैड जस्ट द बेस्ट टीम। देयर वाज नेल्सन सर जो डायरेक्टर हैं इस फिल्म के, देयर इज जॉनी मास्टर हु इज द कोरियोग्राफर एंड रजनी सर का होना तो वो मोमेंट मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा मैजिकल था ये गाना शूट करते वक्त। एंड हम जानते थे हम एक अच्छा गाना शूट कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब ये गाना रिलीज हुआ आई हैड दिस वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग अर्ज कि वैसे तो मतलब सब रील्स बनाते हैं बट आई वाज लाइक मुझे रील बनानी है, एक रील बनानी है एंड या just went ahead, made a reel and then उसके बाद पता नहीं क्या हुआ Instagram पे।
next level
अभी मेरा नोटिफिकेशन बंद ही नहीं होता।
बहुत सारे लोग
remix reel is going on my Instagram and लोगों ने बहुत सराहा है इस गाने को। काफी सारी बार हम फिल्मों को प्रमोट करते हैं यहाँ पर ये गाना हमें आप तक पहुँचा रहा है और literally like we are almost like we have to promote this song because everyone has loved it so much and Jailer is a film that's very special to me because it's a very rooted film and I'm looking forward to actually interacting with the media on this. पहली बार मुंबई में कर रहे हैं तो would like to give it time to talk to everyone from the media.
Absolutely, yeah. But I'm going to actually call somebody who's very excited also कि ये गाना इतना वायरल हो गया। See, when you start to distribute a movie, also you have to realize कि भाई पब्लिक तक पहुंचाना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है। स्टार्टिंग में पिक्चर अच्छी हो जाए तो ठीक है, बहुत बड़ी स्टार कास्ट है। But ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the CEO of UFO Distribution, Pankaj ji. Can we please have you here, sir? Thank you so much for being so involved in every aspect of it. But आपका आधा काम तो बहुत easy हो गया। People keep looking for that one spark. And Anirudh, the music director has this in him. I remember कोलावेरी डी जब सालों पहले आया था, वायरल हम लोग ने भारत में सीखा था from अनिरुद्ध। उससे पहले सिर्फ गंगम स्टाइल was viral. So when you heard this song, were you actually thinking about the song or you only worried about कि भाई रिलीज अच्छी हो जाए, सब जगह पहुंच जाए, वो सब जरूरी है?
नहीं, worried about आप बोलो तो मैं I was worried about तमन्ना जी आज आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे। तो ये 2 मिनट का बीच में जो हॉल था was acceptable as long as तमन्ना जी is here। आपको और मेरे को देखने के लिए कोई नहीं आने वाला है।
Right.
But yes, गाना definitely viral हो गया था। The day I realized परसों वली नाका सीलिंग से मैं बाहर निकल रहा था, I was just amazed। उधर एक ट्रैफिक आइलैंड है, बच्चे लोगों को गाना लगा के they were practicing the hook step। सब लोग अपना काम तो हो ही गया है। Moment the ground level team and the audience accepts a song, that's it, it's a hit। And of course जानी मास्टर and तमन्ना जी, और क्या बात है।
नहीं, बट जैसे आपने कहा अनिरुद्ध is a music composer जो बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं and I think we are very fortunate to have him on our team and he's given us a wonderful track. So
पंकज जी, when you see big star cast like this, ये तो बहुत next level। मोहनलाल सर है, शिवा सर है, रजनी सर है, तमन्ना, जैकी श्रॉफ। I think there's a pressure sort of increase also to make sure कि right audience देख पाए। फिर क्या होता है नहीं, in a regional film which becomes national and then you're trying to we're still fighting with it, let's be honest। 5 साल से we're still fighting with the fact कि क्या हम इसको national बना पा रहे हैं कि नहीं, but here we have superstars in it। So pressure बढ़ जाता है क्या distribution में?
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में प्रेशर तो हमेशा रहता ही है, इतने पैसे लगे होते हैं। बट व्हेन यू सी द कंटेंट, आज आम आदमी को क्या चाहिए? भैया 3 घंटे में जाता हूँ, ऐश करके आता हूँ, और रजनीकांत सर जैसे आएंगे सीटियाँ तो वैसे ही बच जाती है। That 3 minutes, the 3 hours, you just forget your worries, you enjoy and you come out. When you have that feel, distribution का टेंशन निकल जाता है फिर।
And आपको तो कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है। वो बोलता है ना पर्पल पैच, जब कोई एस्ट्रोलॉजर से पूछते हैं, कोई बैट्समैन भी पूछता है कि हर एक चीज अच्छी चलनी चाहिए।
सलिल, आपको नहीं लगता ये जो आप अमेजिंग सवाल पूछ रहे हैं?
ये भी करेंगे, लेकिन मेरे को भी पूछने दो, उसके बाद तो मेरे पूछना है।
क्या पूछना है आपको?
This amazing patch for the last 3 months, यार, it's very difficult to get it going. You know, आपके hit after hit, whether it's online or whether it's the films. Are you counting your blessings? Are you visiting an astrologer? Are you visiting the mandir a little extra?
They say luck favors the ones who work hard, and luck favors the brave. So I've just been brave, and I've just been intentional, and I'm doing everything that excites me, ignites a fire in me, and luck seems to be favoring that.
Luck is favoring the brave in a very nice way. And now her brave request is, please go ahead. Like I said, this
Yeah,
is
as much as I love Salil, I actually don't want Rock Around.
this is the most intimate, beautiful setting. Go ahead. Anybody, just we'll go one at a time. Can we just?
Content is the most important aspect, and be it male or female. Like आज एक heroine का part या आज ये गाना a guy can't do, right? Like you need a actress to do it. Nobody would watch it if it was being done like that. So everyone has their part. In fact, ये फिल्म सबसे बड़ा सबूत है उस बात का. इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है, इतने बड़ी स्टाइल पे बनाई गई है. रजनी सर हैं, मोहनलाल सर हैं, शिवराज सर हैं, रम्या कृष्णा मैम है, जग्गू दादा is there. I have a part to play. We are all playing parts in a movie, which is the vision of Nelson sir. So आज ऐसा दौर आ गया है कि nobody is shying away from playing a part, because essentially जैसे कभी जब इंडिया मैच जीतती है तो कोई केयर नहीं करता कि किसने कितने रन बनाए. अच्छा लगता है जब सचिन 100 कमाता है, but it's always nice that इंडिया जीतती है. So for us, the movie is like that. We want the film to do well, and when that does well, then everyone around it does well. So that's the point. I think I can't talk about an industry overall because that's a very big thing to say. But I can tell you one thing, sir, that we've not made a pan-India film. We've made a rooted, true to its region, strong, big, massy entertainer with probably the biggest superstar the country has. And but we're not trying to make a pan-India film here. We're trying to make a film जो लोगों से जुड़े. And वापस से जब हम कावाला जैसा एक सॉन्ग रिलीज करते हैं, ये हमारे लिए भी एक एफर्मेशन बन जाता है कि जब वो सॉन्ग अच्छा हो. अच्छा, ये तमिल सॉन्ग है जिसका टाइटल तेलुगु है, so that's unique. You normally don't have a Tamil song with a Telugu title. And now we've come to the Hindi audiences because we feel like our content is strong, that it will travel across languages. उसको भाषा की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So I don't think it's one industry over another. It's only about when we are culturally so strong that whenever we take our culture and we celebrate it, वो automatically we are at least hoping कि पूरे देश तक पहुँचे. So यही हमारा प्रयास है.
तमन्ना येम कावाला
మీరు కావాలండి నీలాంటి బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
బాగుంది. Okay, you love dancing and you're a very exuberant dancer, what dancing means to you?
I just know one thing कि कोई भी मैंने आज तक किसी को गुस्से में डांस करते हुए नहीं देखा. मतलब आपको खुश होना पड़ता है. It's like a given कि अगर आपको डांस करना है तो आपको खुशी में करना पड़ेगा. So I've never seen a very angry person dancing or upset. Have you seen an upset person dance ever?
But I've seen people struggling. आप जिस तरह करते हो, हम लोग का ऐसा नहीं है.
नहीं, struggle is a different thing. Have you seen someone sadly dancing? Nobody sadly dances. Everyone happily dances. Yes. So I think that's the kind of dancer I am, and that's the kind of dancer I've always been since I was a young kid. I just love dancing. It's a way for me to express myself. It's a way for me to channel my joy, and I love doing it with my loved ones in person, and of course as a performer for the entire audience, because they're all the people I'm actually doing this for.
Tamanna, this is a very good phase for you, personally and professionally also. What would you like to sum up in 2-3 sentences?
I think today, as a woman in 2023, it's very important to accept yourself the way you are. And the moment you start doing that, everyone starts accepting you. And I might have been one of those fortunate people who had the luxury of learning this through the growth of my cinema journey. But I could say this to everyone. It's beauty. People think that film actors, or say supposing people think that I am beautiful. I think true beauty comes from just acceptance. And the moment you do that, everyone loves you. दिमाग को कहीं नहीं छोड़िएगा. हम नहीं छोड़ते ताकि आपको भी अपना दिमाग घर पे नहीं छोड़ के आना पड़े, ताकि आप भी अपना दिमाग सिनेमा थिएटर में लेके आ सके. हमारा तो यही प्रयास है. नहीं सर, आई थिंक दिल की सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बट जब हम उसे एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं तो तभी दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ता है। और ये बहुत ही एक सुंदर फेज़ है मेरे करियर का, जहाँ मुझे अलग अलग प्रकार के किरदार निभाने का मौका मिल रहा है, एंड लोग मुझे ट्रस्ट कर रहे हैं। जैसे इसी कुछ इन 2 महीनों में बहुत ही वेरीड किस्म का काम करने मिला है मुझे, एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल। आई एम आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग all this time that I've spent even in the South Indian film industry, Sun Pictures, who were the producers of the Tamil version, and UFO Media, thank you sir, thank you for presenting us to the Hindi market, and I hope this film does well for all of us. Sun Pictures और मेरा बहुत ही पुराना रिश्ता है, because even before I became a popular face in the South Indian film industry, I've done a lot of ads for their brand, and yeah, it's always been magical to work with them. They really cater to audiences, and they make content for audiences.
Tamanna, what was your reaction the moment the maker asked you to be on board? क्या as an artist जब आप किसी फिल्म का हिस्सा बनते हैं, किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखते हैं? और फिर ये जो गाना अपने आप में इतना बड़ा हो गया हिट, वो आपको उम्मीद थी कि इतना बड़ा हिट हो जाएगा, इतना वायरल हो जाएगा, जैसे सर ने बताया कि बच्चे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं रोड पे?
I feel जब आप ऐसे नाम सुनते हैं जैसे कि अनिरुद्ध सर, नेल्सन सर, of course this is Rajni sir's film, so being a part of his film, I feel ऐसे नाम बहुत ही bankable नाम है, और इसीलिए नहीं क्योंकि वो बहुत लाइक ऑलरेडी बहुत अचीव किया उन्होंने इंडस्ट्री में, उन्होंने बहुत ही कंसिस्टेंटली अचीव किया है इंडस्ट्री में, और ये वैसे भी मुश्किल है, बिकॉज द क्रिएटिव आर्ट फॉर्म, everyone has a good day and a bad day, but these people have an unbreakable track record. So I think मेरा natural instinct था कि ये मुझे करना चाहिए, and I'm glad मैंने किया, और I'm glad लोगों को इतना पसंद आ रहा है.
Hi Tamanna.
Hello.
Hesha this side from E-Times. What I want to ask you is that I want you to tell me the one thing respectively that you've learned from Chiranjeevi and Rajnikant, that now that you've worked with them.
I think both of these people, they are extremely humble, extremely hardworking, dedicated, and they've not taken their positions for granted. So as a young actor, this is something that I learned from them, and I hope to imbibe it till the end of my career and till life.
Hi, Tamanna here.
Hi.
I have a question. You said something wonderful about the Indian cricket team and everything. So there was an interview of Priyanka Chopra many years ago, I think at least 5 years ago, where she had said that when she went to Hollywood, there were many actors, like many superstars, who were willing to do 5-minute roles, 5-minute parts in a big film to make the entire film work. Do you feel, you've seen the industry very closely from a very young age, there are insecurities that crop up between actors in any film industry, which is why a lot of films don't even happen. A lot of filmmakers have also gone out and said that many of their multi-hero films, multi-heroine films have not worked out because of this. But women have majorly been more successful than multiple hero movies of late. Do you see a change in the younger generation of actors today? Do you feel that there's more security, or do you think that insecurities are still there?
I think change is individual. Like, I remember when Bahubali happened, or my very first successful Telugu film Happy Days happened. Thereafter, a recent show I did, Ji Karda. I have always been a part of ensemble films, and I've never shied away from that, because I think there is power when a lot of great creative people come together. And I think I've always been a very secure actor, so I can talk for myself that I feel, in fact, when you are with these great stalwarts of the industry, your best comes out, because you know you can't do anything but your A game. So you bring on your A game and you take it on head on, and if all goes well, the audience loves it, and the return is manifold, and it actually lasts for, like, Bahubali is a film I think nobody will ever forget in Indian cinema, and I feel like I got an opportunity because I was open to the idea that I should be a part of an ensemble and not think, my role is that much or my role is this much. Understanding that every character has its own part to play.
मैम
हेलो तमन्ना जी
जी कहाँ पर?
यहाँ पे तमन्ना जी
Yes.
तमन्ना जी शारिक फ्रॉम इंडियन एक्ट्रेस
नमस्ते. बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक नाम है आपका.
तमन्ना जी आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मतलब हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जैसे पहले आइटम नंबर्स होते थे और बहुत हिट भी हुए हैं, बट अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि जैसे साउथ इंडस्ट्री डोमिनेट करे आइटम नंबर्स को, तो आप क्या कहेंगे उसके बारे में?
You know, it's an interesting thing that you ask. जब मैं I had